Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on profile view history on TikTok. So if you want to see who has viewed your profile, then you have to turn on the view history profile option. And I'll show you guys how to turn that on in this video today. So first things first, head over to your TikTok app and you'll be brought to your For You page right here. And from here, click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, which will bring you to your profile page right here. Now in the top right corner, there should be 3 bars, and right next to the 3 bars to the left of it are footsteps. If you click on the footsteps, you'll be brought to this page right here, and then you can click on turn on in the bottom right corner, and it will turn on profile view history. However, if you don't see this option and it's not working for you, to turn it on, you could just go back to your profile page real quick. And once you are here, click on the 3 bars in the top right corner, which will bring up this page right here. You'll want to click on settings and privacy, which is the bottom option. Now, once you click on here, click on privacy, which is the second option down from the top. And once you get to privacy, scroll down until you see profile views, which is the second option from the bottom of the page. Once you click on that, you can just toggle this switch and it will turn on profile view history. So make sure that it's blue and it's turned on. And as you can see, if I click on the footsteps now, I can see everybody who has viewed my profile. So that's how you turn on profile view history on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.